Lesure Airline approved pet carrier. This is a TSA approved soft-sided travel case for your cats or dogs up to about 15 pounds. So I have it in the gray color here, and you can see it's got multiple different attachments. So you can use it with this shoulder strap, which you can create into a backpack or just use it standard with the handles as well. So 2 ways to carry, or 3 ways actually to carry. So very versatile, backpack, messenger style, and you can also clip it in for car rides as well, which is so convenient, very sleek, and so many compartments placed throughout it. You can see a nice little window here for your pet to look through. I love it that it's got a ton of mesh detailing so you can keep an eye on them, and places to put things like dog wipes, treats, other items, maybe their leash or harnesses that you need to store around there. 270 degrees as far as views go. I like this little top area as well. It just really is well crafted. It is water resistant as well, and then the bed liner on the inside is washable, and you can see it was very simple to set it up. As far as height goes for your pet, it will fit up to about a 10-inch pet, lengthwise about 16 inches. You can see Teddy fits in here perfect. Check it out.